Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, that is Let Me Learn Chemistry. So before starting the lecture, please subscribe my channel, and if you want me to start any another topic that you want, then please put your questions or put your topic in the comment section and we will start that topic. Okay, so now in the last lecture we have studied about the nomenclature, right? So हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में क्या देखा, nomenclature if there will be more than one substituent is present. Okay, that is our nomenclature of organic compound. अभी हम लोग nomenclature किसका देख रहे हैं? Of simple alkanes alkane groups का देख रहे हैं, but it's just that we are adding the substituent, we are adding the branches. Okay, now today we will see some examples of another nomenclature for organic compounds if there will be complex substituent is present. For example, let's take some example, that is CH3, CH2, CH3, and this will be okay. This is my compound. Okay, and I have to write the nomenclature for this compound. Now let's first do the counting, which is our longest carbon chain. Okay, so if I will do the counting to this, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, if I will do counting like this, then it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What I can do is okay, let's take this example. ठीक है, वहाँ पे थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया था. We will take the another example, and this is my example. ठीक है, so let's count the longest carbon chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, if I will do counting from this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So which is our longest carbon chain? This will be my longest carbon chain. Now I have to do the numbering. So this come in the middle. So if I will do numbering from this side or this side, this will get the same number. So let's do the numbering from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so this substituent gets on number 5, but it is which type of substituent? It is a complex substituent. इस substituent को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Complex substituent. Because in this substituent you can see substituents has also the branches, right? ये जो मेरा substituent है, इस substituent के branches. So this substituent or this branch is also known as the complex substituent. Now I have to give numbering to this complex substituent. Okay, so 1 2 and 3. Okay, now we have to write the nomenclature of this compound. So what will be the name? First we will see this substituent get at which number of the longest carbon chain? 5. So 5 आ गया. अभी हमें इस substituent का नाम लिखना है, तो मैंने ब्रैकेट डाल दिया है. I have put a bracket. Now there are 2 methyl group attached to this longest carbon chain. यहाँ पे भी हमें longest carbon chain लिखना रहेगा, ठीक है? So 2 methyl group is attached to this longest carbon chain. Okay, so it will be 1 2 dimethyl 1 2 dimethyl. क्या है ये? 1 2 dimethyl propane. Okay, bracket close. Then it is which name? It has 9 carbons. So what will this compound become? It will be nonene. Okay, So this will be the name of this compound. So in this compound you can see that I have taken a longest carbon chain which is attached with the substituent, and that substituent is a complex substituent. कौन सा substituent है ये? Complex substituent है. Why it is called as complex substituent? Because the substituent has also the branches. ये दो क्या है? These two are the branches of the substituent. Okay, that's why it is called as the complex substituent. So in the nomenclature, first I have numbered the longest carbon chain. Okay, ये substituent कौन से नंबर पे आया? 5 नंबर पे आया है. So 5 लिखा डैश करके. Now this substituent has different name, that is this. So I have put their name in the bracket. So पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ब्रांच को नंबर देंगे. So 1,2 डाइमिथाइल. ये लॉन्गेस्ट चेन का क्या नाम है? Propane, because it has 3 carbon. And then I have given the name, then bracket close, and then I have given the name to the longest carbon chain, that is nonene. Okay, let's see more example. Okay, let's see more examples. Suppose and CH3. Okay, and this is attached with three. ठीक है? Okay. Now, sorry, I got this. This will be CH3, CH3, CH3 and CH3. Okay, now this is my compound. So we have to first count the longest carbon chain, which is the longest carbon chain. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's do the counting from this side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So of course we will do, if we will do the counting from this side also, it will become as 8 only. So this will be my longest carbon chain. And कितने नंबर के कार्बन है? 9 नंबर कार्बन है. And this substituent is present on the middle carbon. So if we do numbering from this side also or this side also, this will get the same. So I am doing the numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. Okay. Now this is my substituent. It is which type of substituent? As I have already told you, this is known as the complex substituent. ठीक है, कौन सा है? कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है. क्यों? बिकॉज दिस सब्स्टिट्यूएंट हैज ऑल्सो their own substituent. So in this substituent we have to see the longest carbon chain. It can be either this also, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So I am taking the straight one, 1, 2 and 3, and there are 2 substituents attached with the carbon number 2. Okay, so what will be the nomenclature of this compound? Of course ये substituents कौन सा नंबर कार्बन पे अटैच है? 5 नंबर. So 5 bracket, then on substituent 2 substituents are present on carbon number 2, so it will be 2 dimethyl, then 2 dimethyl propane. So I have written the name of the substituent. What is the name of the substituent? 2 dimethyl propane. And what is the name of this longest carbon chain? It is nonene. Okay, so this is how we write the nomenclature when we have a complex substituent attached to our longest carbon chain. So आपको क्या करना है? First you have to give the numbering to the longest carbon chain. Then you have to put that number कि कौन से कार्बन पे वो जो हमारा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है वो अटैच्ड है. then you have to write the name of that substituent. Okay, like जैसे हम लोग कार्बन चेन का लिखते हैं, लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन का जब लिखते हैं, वैसे हम लोग उसका लिखेंगे. After writing the name of the substituent, we have to write the name of the longest carbon chain. So this is how we write the nomenclature of a organic compound when there will be a complex substituent attached. I hope this topic is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please write your questions in the comment section and we will help you out. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.